Hello everyone. As you would have guessed from the title of this video, it is the planner season and I am here to break down the top 25 planners in the Indian markets. So, fun fact, when people stalk celebrities and exes, I really stalk planners and stationery everywhere on the internet. And I know I'm not the only one. So, without further ado, let's get started with the video. For this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to list down all the planners starting from the cheapest to the most expensive planners. And since we have 25, I'm just going to divide this video into two parts. So this is part one. So starting with the cheapest one, it is from this Insta store called Artificient and it retails for 558 rupees only. As you can see, it is mostly a black and white planner, but you're paying just about 558 rupees. So in that price, I think this is a pretty good planner. And as you can see, it retailed for 348 back in the day when it was launched. It does look a little cheap, but in 550 rupees, I guess this is a very good option. Then we have the classic planner. Now this is again a black and white option, but this one has stickers and also the spreads look quite decent. So it has a mood tracker, it has wish list, it has a lot of other things. This retails for 595 and it has a colorful version as well, which retails for 792. This looks a little flimsy and something that I have printed out in my own home, a kind of a planner, but at 595 rupees, I couldn't ask for more. Number 3 on my list is the Tiny Change Tiny Leaps planner, and this is by far one of the best planners in this price range. Decent spreads, if you could see the spreads here. So according to me, this is the best planner in the budget that is below 600. Now let's jump on to a budget category of 800 and under. My first planner, fortunately, is the best planner in this category. It is the Journal Lab planner. And as you can see, this retails for 689. And if I expand this, it has stickers, it has lovely daily prompts, it has goals, timelines, as in your future for the next 10 years, books to read, wish list, and really elegant looking planner. And I forgot to mention, this is planner cum journal, so you can actually use this not only for your mood tracking, habit tracking, but also for journaling. And this kind of mood tracker is one of my favorites. I've stopped doing bullet journaling, but when I used to do it, this kind of mood tracker really explains me how my year was. So I really like this kind of mood tracking as well. Then you have monthly budgets and whatnot. Even the cover of the book looks very classy and decent. Next up, I have another Insta store called Rainbow Thoughts, and this planner retails for 799. And just about it has all the spreads. If you see, there is a calendar, memories, lessons I learned, and the cover is also quite professional. So I really like this planner. Next up that I have again retails for 799 and has a very Indian touch to itself. So if you like any sort of Indian motifs, it is from My Art India. So if you are into Indian motifs, I think this planner is something that you will really like. All the planners that I have been talking of will be listed in the description box below with their links so that you could easily see them and refer to them. I will also mention their prices. My last planner in the under 800 category is the Tiny Change, again Tiny Wins planner. It is, as you can see, this planner comes with a lot of freebies as well. So it will have stickers, poster stickers, bookmarks, thank you cards, etc. One of the most unique things that I really like about this planner is that you will be able to track two aspects of your life in parallel. If you want to track your work life and personal life, you will be able to do it. It is a hardcover book. It has goal planning and a lot of other things. If you see the spreads, they also look quite great. So overall, I would think this is a very good planner. So now we have completed all our planners under 800. Let's move on to my next category, that is under 1000 rupees. I have 5 planners under this category. The first on list is the My Paperclip planner. This is again a very basic weekly layout kind of a planner. This retails for 880 rupees. This is a no fuss weekly planner. I have used their stationery before and I can vouch for their paper quality. Next up, we have another Insta store called Art Bloom. And this is one of the most aesthetic planners in the budget. It's colorful, it is bright, and if you see the cover options, they are also very aesthetic. Next up is my favorite under 1000 rupees list. This is the Factor Notes Classic Planner. The aesthetics is nice and classy. The internal colors are pastel, so they are very bright, and it has puzzles, riddles, brain teasers. The cherry on the cake is that this planner has 3 satin ribbons. Now, being a planner head myself, I know the importance of marking your pages, and 3 satin ribbons are perfect to actually do that. I use a ton of things. You can actually refer my older videos, and you know I really struggle to bookmark my pages, and this feature really takes my heart. And of course, this one also comes with a lot of stickers. I saw some stickers. Yes, this also comes with a lot of stickers. So the number of options available for the face of the planner is also very nice. Next up, we have another Tiny Change planner. Now this is slightly more exhaustive than the other planners and comes with the same kind of freebies like the stickers, the poster stickers, etc. But if you see the spreads, they are slightly different. They're slightly exhaustive. And I really like how professional they feel and how simple they are to follow. So I really like this planner as well. And last but not the least is the one from Simba Lifestyle. It retails for 999 rupees and is one of the most quirky of the lot. So if you see, it is a travel theme planner and has really colorful pages. It has stickers too and some functional stickers too. So overall, I would say quirky and nice. If this is the kind of aesthetics that you want to go for your planner, I would highly recommend this one as well. So this concludes Top 25 Planner Part 1 video, where we have discussed planners only below 1000 rupees. And for the planners above rupees 1000, stay tuned for my next video. Please comment below if I have missed any other planner under rupees 1000 and help the community out. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you have enjoyed the planning content that I'm putting out lately. Thank you. Bye then.